But claims like ours, this was a six-figure claim. How often are you getting those phone calls from your 150,000 policies you've written?
A lot. I mean, we have drownings in swimming pools. We paid multiple $1 million lawsuits, unfortunately, for, wrongful death suits. And we've had people fall downstairs when there's no railing. We've had total losses from forest fires and kitchen fires. Barbecues are a huge one. Please don't put your barbecue up next to your house underneath the awning. I mean, it's a disaster waiting to happen, right, with the guests. So number one claim is wind and hail. Think of like Florida and hurricanes and stuff. Wind and hail is the number one claim. I'll give you a great example. So something that insurance carriers are sneaking into policies now without policyholders really knowing is actual cash value on your roof. Hail damage is a huge thing. Think of the Front Range of Colorado, right? I mean, those storms are coming. Those hailstorms are trashing roofs. Let's say you replace your roof, 30-year life expectancy. The roof is 15 years old. And a hailstorm comes through. You get your roof replaced. It's $40,000 to replace your roof. The insurance company is going to cut you a check for $20,000 because they're going to calculate the depreciation of the roof over those 15 years. Well, Proper doesn't do that. We pay what's called replacement cost valuation on the roof. So even if your roof is 15 years old, hailstorm comes through, damages the roof, it's $40,000 to replace, we're cutting you a check for $40,000. Number two, from a financial standpoint, is water damage, which you know a lot about. And I always laugh and say water created the Grand Canyon. When water gets in your house, it destroys everything, right? And that's anything from backups to sewers and drains, to toilets, to broken water pipes, to roof damage and rain, and on and on. Water's a big one. So speaking of your water damage claim, you said it was in six figures. Tons of our competitors are now capping water damage claims, sometimes 10, 25, 50,000. Well, we had a $400,000 ice maker damage claim in Utah. This beautiful house in Utah, on the ski hill, like 10,000 square feet. Little ice maker went for a week, dripped down the whole. It was a $400,000 claim on a leaky ice maker. They're massive, A third would probably be fire. 4 would be damage caused by a guest. So people just don't know what they have. That's the culture we've created, is we can pay these claims and maintain these great reviews because we charge more and we don't have to fight people, right? It's a different school of thought. Everything we do in the product is the best that can be. So again, find coverage for the customer. And if we need to raise rates, we'll raise rates to cover everything. But we want to offer the best product that people can buy, that want to upgrade like you, that are willing to spend a little more for insurance. So